Hey guys, it's me, Steve WB, and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm trying a brand new camera. Well, a 2-year-old or a 1-year-old brand new camera. And it's the Insta360 One RS with the 4K boost mod. I'm wanting to see how this actually works compared to GoPro and DJI. You can get it at a really good price these days. I have been shooting some video reviews with it. It does a pretty good job. I've seen some other people's comparisons and they looked terrible for this camera. So I just wanted to kind of do my own little quick review on it to share with you guys to see how it looks. So what we're going to do next is we're just going to go ahead and run around the yard a little bit, video some flowers and plants and such, just to see how clear and how precise the image is on this little camera. And is it worth buying for under 300 bucks? It could be a great little budget action camera. So let's get into it. Okay, so how do I look backlit? You can see the sun is extremely bright behind me and it's coming straight into the lens on the little Insta One RS 4K boost mod. How is it handling that? You tell me. Aloe vera is a good plant to have in your yard. Great for those burns and skin. But in Florida here, it tries to just take over everything. I'm gonna have to re-clean out this entire bed. Look at all that mess back there. And this is our little variegated umbrella plant. We call it Polly because I actually snapped a tiny little twig off of this at the Polynesian resort at Disney. Came home and planted it, and this is what it's doing. It was only 1 inch tall whenever I snapped it off, and it's doing quite well. So Polly is looking good. Okay, so I just got finished reviewing all my footage, and the footage really looks pretty darn good. Now, is it GoPro 11 good? I don't know. It comes down to preference. But one thing about the Insta360 One RS that I don't like is when you switch the modules or like over a certain period of time, like your adjustments go away. So you have to double check your settings before every shoot. And that kind of gets annoying just a little bit. It's not horrible, but like one of the things that you absolutely need to do with the Insta360 One RS is drop the sharpness down to low or medium. Because when it gets on like ultra high or super high or whatever they call it, it is way, way, way over sharpened. And that's what happened to me in this video, is the fact that the settings reset and it defaults to the highest sharpness, and that just gives it too much of a digital look. So I did slightly correct the footage and put just a little bit of blur in it to help with that digital sharpness. Overall, it's a really good little camera, and the fact that you can get it so cheap, and I really, really love the 1-inch module. I wish I had bought it sooner. When used properly, you get excellent results out of that thing, and it is really a sad day that it is discontinued. So if you've ever thought about getting one and wanting to have the 1-inch action camera, you better scoop one up now because they're no longer available unless Insta360 comes out with another one or an updated one. But for now, it has been discontinued. So excuse me. So anyway, just drop a comment down below. What did you think about this footage for a $200 and something camera? How did it look? I've like fully gone in with the Insta360 stuff so I can just make some content on it because I think it's undervalued and underestimated. And also, in case you don't know, I do product reviews for a living. That's what my full-time job is. I make product reviews for Amazon, and I get cool things like this, like a cocktail smoker kit. Do you think there's room on this channel for interesting products like that? You know, should I like go into how I film
product videos and things like that? Are you interested in Amazon influencer and maybe like trying to learn how to be a full-time influencer? Just let me know what you guys think. But until next time, if you like content like this, drop this old guy a like. If you want to see more, then you subscribe and turn on all notifications. And until next time, I'm Steve WB, and I'm out.